Welcome to Web Development Complete Course video number 2. In this lesson, we are going to create the basic HTML document in which we will study the basic structure of HTML. This structure will be the foundation building block of any HTML web page. We will start with a very simple page and add several elements to it as we progress through this section. Before we begin, you need to open Notepad or Visual Studio Code if you are on Windows machine or Text Wrangler if you are on Mac operating system. So here I am on Windows machine. Here I will type Visual Studio Code and click on it. Once I click it, this screen will be shown. So here I open one HTML page, which every web page will use this basic web page structure. You can open here, go to File, click on Open, and on the file open it. With the file open, let's go over each instruction that convey to the web browser. First of all the document begin with the doc type HTML tag. This tag tell the browser that the markup of the language in which the page is written is HTML. Keep in mind that there are different types of HTML standard when it comes to coding your web page. Some HTML standards are quite strict and instruct the browser to follow very strict set of rules when parsing and interpreting the code. An example of this is XHTML. The XHTML standard we will check to make sure all your open HTML tag have corresponding closing and opening tag, and you will understand what that means in just a minute. There are many other compliance measures that make up the XHTML to each markup. It is not necessary to explore all of this because for the purpose of this course we will using the HTML5 standard, the latest one. This standard is more flexible in its compliance requirement among browser, and it is also the most widely used previous version of HTML. Such as HTML4 are even more flexible but lack of some of the new feature in here with the HTML. We will learn about some of the new feature as we progress through the course immediately. After the doc type declaration comes to the open HTML and closing HTML tag. This is the building block of our page. Most other tag will be nested within the open each HTML tag in the closing tag. Keep in mind that an open tag must be closed to define the ending of HTML page. So all the tag will be inside in the open HTML and closing HTML tag. Here we often use the head tag. Head tag describe what our page name, and in the body we will write all the HTML code. In further videos we will study all the tags that we need for any website when we build. Hope it is clear to everyone. See you next time. Bye bye.